Most people are using way too many tools in their business. Email tools, marketing tools, tools for automation tools. What if I told you AI is about to replace all of them? You see, right now, most businesses are running on stacks of software. And you've got one tool for email, another tool for automation, another tool for content, and another for the analytics. But that entire model is starting to break because AI is no longer just something you plug into your workflow. It's becoming the workflow itself. So here's the problem with current tool stacks. Let's break this down. Most businesses today pay for multiple subscriptions. They spend time connecting the tools together, or they have a consultant that they have to hire to connect those tools and implement them. They deal with inefficiencies between the platforms, and even with tools like automation software, you still have to manually build and maintain everything. That's where the consultant comes in. And it's all fragmented, and it can slow you down. So, how AI is changing this? Now, if you enter AI, instead of needing a writing tool, a design tool, a scheduling tool, AI can now generate the content, create the visuals, plan your distribution, execute the publishing, all in one spot. That is what's called multi-module AI. It doesn't just do one thing. It handles multiple formats and tasks together. And this is where things are starting to collapse down into a single system. So instead of using tools, now you use systems. This is where the real shift is, because we're moving from using tools, multiple tools, to building systems. Instead of asking, what tool do I need? You start asking, what system can handle this entire process? For example, a content system. Idea generation, script editing, posting, AI, all can handle everything. So instead of asking, what tool do I need? You start asking, what system can handle this entire process? For example, content systems. You have the idea generation, script writing, script editing, posting, all handled by AI. A sales system. You have lead sourcing, outreach, follow-up, booking, and again, all handled by AI. This is how businesses are becoming leaner and faster. So, why is this huge for entrepreneurs? If you're a solo entrepreneur or if you have a small team, this is your biggest opportunity because now you don't need a large team. You don't need a complex tech stack or stacks. You don't need to manage multiple systems either. You can operate with lower cost, faster execution, more scalability. This levels the playing field completely because no, AI is not going to take your job, but the person using AI will. So here's how you actually use this. Step 1, identify the repetitive tasks. Step 2, group them into workflows. Step 3, replace those workflows with AI systems. Start simple. Content creation, email responses, data organization. Then you can expand. Because the goal is not to use more tools, it's to build a smarter system. So the businesses that win moving forward are not the businesses that are using the most tools and paying the most subscriptions. They're the ones with the best systems in place. And AI is what makes that possible. If you want to learn how to actually build these systems, step by step, follow along, because this is where everything is going. I'll see you in the next video. Bam!